Today, you're going to learn how to add Momentum Trail Oscillator quick and easy guide. Open Tradingview and make sure you are signed in and on the chart you want to analyze. Confirm the market and time frame first so the indicator attaches to the correct chart. When your chart is ready, move your cursor to the top toolbar and click the Indicators button. This opens Tradingview's Indicators panel where built-in tools and community scripts are stored. With the Indicators panel open, locate the search box at the top of the menu. The search box lets you quickly filter the large list of available indicators without wasting time scrolling. Click into the search box and type Momentum Trail. As you type, the results will narrow automatically, showing only items that match your search term. Look carefully for the listing named Momentum Trail Oscillator to make sure you select the exact script intended for momentum analysis. When Momentum Trail Oscillator appears in the filtered list, click it to add the tool to your active chart. Clicking will immediately attach the oscillator to the chart workspace, usually appearing in a pane below price action, or overlaying the chart depending on the script's design. Give the indicator a second to load, especially if your chart contains extensive historical data. Once rendered, you'll see momentum lines or histograms that the oscillator uses to visualize strength and direction. Take a moment to observe how the Momentum Trail Oscillator aligns with recent price swings, trend shifts, and consolidation periods. This visual comparison helps you understand how the oscillator interprets momentum relative to the price structure. Remember that indicators are guides, not guarantees. Use the oscillator to confirm setups you already see in price action and to refine entries and exits within your risk management framework. If you plan to use indicators like this regularly, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan so you can run multiple tools simultaneously and save more custom chart layouts. Use my affiliate link in the description for Tradingview Pro. Choosing a paid plan removes common limitations and makes it easier to test combinations of indicators without switching templates constantly. A brief troubleshooting tip: if you don't find the script, double check your spelling in the search box and remove extra spaces. If multiple similar names appear, select the one that exactly matches Momentum Trail Oscillator. That's all there is to it. You accessed Tradingview, opened the Indicators menu, searched for Momentum Trail, and added Momentum Trail Oscillator to your chart. With the oscillator now applied, you're ready to observe how it complements your analysis and supports better trading decisions.